I don't know how it happened, but somehow I lost a tire. Just came off while I was driving down the road. No idea how that happened. I lost all 4 lug nuts somehow. So I gotta jack it up and I'm gonna see if I can't get... I didn't stop very far and I found the tire up in the ditch, so I'm gonna lift it up, put the tire back on. And hopefully the drum isn't bent. So yeah, maybe someone loosened them? I don't know. Well, one car just drove by, didn't even stop, which I thought was pretty uncool. Even with my limited mechanical knowledge, I at least would have stopped. What I'm hoping for, I used my rubber hammer and I just kind of hit it until it was straight again. I'm just hoping these aren't bent. I mean, it's a heavy vehicle and I bent my sill fender right in. Probably when the tire initially came off, it probably rolled back and went crunch and then went flying away. These don't look too damaged. I can't get this off though. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take a lug off of each of the other 3 and just do 4 and get it to a store, and I'm going to buy 5 more lugs. Man, what a pain. Ah. Yeah, did I mention not being a car guy? I think I did a few times. I really wish I knew how this happened. Alright. Does this thing have to go higher? Gotta go a little higher. My jack might be about next. Just need to get the tire on. I had like 2 more cars stop. There you go, turkey. Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to borrow 1 from each tire just till I get it to town, and I'll go buy new lug nuts. Also, I'm going to check all 4 of them. Make sure that they're tight. What happened to my half to... My breaker bar is a 1/2 inch dry, but I can't find my half to 3/4 conversion. I got 3/4 to half. Do I not have it the other way around? Crap. Found it. So let's make sure they're all tight first. Come on. Alright. Come on. Let go. I'm going to take this one off. I should be able to drive with just 4 lugs on. It's unbelievable. Sorry about the camera movement, but only a freaking YouTuber would document this. Oh, jeez. Can't wait to get home and post the pictures. Everyone's gonna be like, right, okay. I don't hear anything shaking, so. Alright. So I'm probably going to definitely go across, and maybe this one. And I'll leave the 2 centers open, and I'll go to town and buy some lug nuts. So I'll go get the other 2 off camera, and I'll bring you back. So here's number 3. I don't know where the other ones went. I'm just gonna go buy new ones. They don't have to be chrome or custom or anything, just regular old lug nuts. I'm just hoping there's not damage. If I start rolling down the road and I start hearing all the scraping and damage, and then I'm like, oh no. I think I was saying today's lesson, bring tools. You know, honestly, when it first happened, you know, I screamed, you know, WTF. And then I immediately pulled over. So I hadn't been driving on the rim that long. I mean, literally I was only doing like 20. It was making some weird noise. So I thought, well, that's strange. And I pulled over twice to see what the sound was. And I pulled over twice to see what that noise was, and I couldn't see anything, and I never thought to check the tire. Alright. Let this down slow so I don't get smacked. Ooh. Not so much for that. Yeah, I got this jack at Walmart for 20 bucks. Glad I did now. Who could have foreseen that this would be why? And I know in town there isn't a decent place to get bolts. So I'm going to have to wait till I get to the main town. Oh, it's Labor Day though. Crap. Well, if it's early enough, maybe they'll still be open. Yeah, this was like $12 jack stand, which I didn't really end up using, and $20 jack from Walmart. Power these on. What the heck? I'm just using a thing right out of my toolkit. I'm sweating up a storm. Even pressure. I might be going over spec, but I think the torque is like 90 pounds or something. So jack's good to have, breaker bar is good to have. Jack stand, although 2 would be preferred, but that should be good. I don't hear anything rattling around. Whew. Man, I'm tired now. You know, when this happened, I may have mentioned, but I didn't even hesitate. I saw what happened. I cussed. I got the tools out and I just immediately went to work. Because wouldn't have done any good just sit there complaining about it. Excuse me. I get some water. Alright, well, if I stop again with an update because it's making noise, I'll do that. If not, I'll probably throw the camera on when I'm putting on 5 new lugs. It should be okay to get to town with 3. But I'm not going to go like 70. Oh, it's 4:15. Well, they might be up until 6 maybe. So I better get moving. Alright. You're really doing some squeaking. Oh yeah, they're kind of hot too. I don't know. They feel pretty hot. Let me check the other side, see if they're the same heat. I doubt it. No, the other side's nice and cold. I mean, it's not super hot. I mean, I can't leave my hand on it. I don't want them to catch on fire because that would be very bad. I might have bent the brake shoe when I hit the ground. Oh, you hear that steam? I hope they're all right to drive home on. I probably bent the brake shoe, that's what I'm guessing. Oh man.